Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 624 odds, 24 matches in total, halftime over 0.5 goals in all. So before we get started, kindly hit the like button, like this video, share it with your friends, and also share with us where you're watching us from in the comment section. Okay, let's get started. Since this is a lot of matches, I'm not going to mention most of the teams, so just use the booking code if you are using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, you can as well check out this game and select them yourself. Most of the games we have here is in Norway, Iceland, and the rest of them. Let's get started fully. The first game here is a game between Osbik taking on Mode in Norway. My prediction is halftime over 0.5 goals. The next one we have is in Iceland, a game between Starjam taking on Reykjavik, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals. Still in that Iceland, a game between Fika taking on Kopagova over 0.5 goals. We move on to Switzerland, where Young Boys Ben is taking on FC St. Gallen, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals at halftime. We move on to Saudi Arabia, where Al-Khaliq Sahad is taking on Al-Ittihad Jeddah, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals. Move on to Sweden, where Malmo is taking on Gears over 0.5 goals. Still in Sweden, Brommapojja Kama is taking on Djurgården IF over 0.5 goals. Then we move on to Finland, where GS Hercules is taking on Tomion Palo, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals. Move on to Norway, Rufus taking on Moss over 0.5 goals. Also, Alesund taking on Sandal over 0.5 goals, still in Norway. Then we move on to Denmark, where AGF Aarhus is taking on Silkeborg over 0.5 goals. In Norway, we have Rosenborg taking on Kofum Oslo over 0.5 goals. Haugesund taking on Kristiansand over 0.5 goals. Strandheim taking on Tromsdalen over 0.5 goals. Arendal taking on Kiev over 0.5 goals. FC Tukum 2000 taking on Granobis in the Latvia League 1 over 0.5 goals. Then we move on to Norway, where Njordalen is taking on Ascent Football over 0.5 goals. Saudi Arabia outside taking on Al Fateh over 0.5 goals. Then we have here a game between Fasters Lane taking on Dynamo in the Czech Republic over 0.5 goals. Czech Republic, a game between Bohemian Prague over 0.5 goals. Then Copenhagen taking on Midtjylland in the Denmark Division 1 over 0.5 goals. Bordeaux Grims taking on Tromsø over 0.5 goals in Norway. Then Brent taking on Sandajov over 0.5 goals. The last game we have is in China, where Shandong Taishan is taking on Suchan Jianyu, and my prediction is over 0.5 goals. Total of 24 matches, 629 odds. So I'm going to stake this game with 1k. Then I will also stake this game again with another 10,000 naira. Then I will flex by 3 or 2. Let's say if you flex by 2, it will give you 5 odds. Flex by 3 will give you 5 odds. Then flex by 2 will give you 17.8 odds. So I think it's a good deal. So let's just play this game. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. You can see the booking code 4B47E5EF. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow or after the game. So kindly bet responsibly, and then do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.